Right, so today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your DJI Mic Mini 2 to your Mac or MacBook. Now, if you want to connect the microphone to the Mac via Bluetooth, it's very simple. All you have to do is long press on the pairing button on the microphone, and you'll see that light blinking blue and green like that. That means it's in pairing mode. So now, with that in pairing mode, simply go to your Mac's Bluetooth settings. So you want to go to the control center, the top right, the upper right side, and then go to Bluetooth, and then go to Bluetooth settings. And in your Bluetooth settings window, let me just drag it to the center like that. If you scroll down under nearby devices, you should see your DJI Mic Mini 2. All you have to do now is click on connect, and it's going to get connected. So once it gets connected like that, to use it, just make sure it's the default sound output device. So you want to go back to the control center, go back to sound, and then you should see your DJI Mic Mini 2 as the default output device. If it's not default, then you can select it. Thanks for watching and good luck.